I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make old-fashioned tuna salad. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients for this timeless dish. You'll need 2 5-ounce cans of good quality tuna, about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise, and some fresh, finely chopped vegetables. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and satisfying meal every time. Now let's get into the simple preparation. First, make sure to drain your tuna very well. This prevents a watery salad. Then gently flake the tuna into a bowl using a fork, breaking it into nice, manageable pieces. Next, finely dice your celery and red onion. These small pieces will integrate perfectly, adding a delightful crunch and flavor without overpowering the tuna. It's all about balance. Time to bring it all together. Add about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise to your tuna and veggies. For that classic old-fashioned flavor, a small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon, of Dijon mustard works wonders. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Gently fold everything until it's beautifully combined and creamy. Avoid overmixing to keep the tuna's texture intact. Your delicious old-fashioned tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, or with crackers for a quick snack. For an extra touch, add a fresh lettuce leaf or a slice of juicy tomato. While it's great right away, chilling it for about 30 minutes allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Store any extra in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.